So I keep forgetting to vlog, or thinking that I need to vlog and then not vlogging, or wanting to vlog and then not vlogging, but basically it's just I've been working on editing the vlog, obviously, because it is Monday, and then also editing something else that I want to start doing this week, and then just a lot of little tasks that apparently have made the entire day go away because it's almost dinner time, but it's been a good day. Maybe not as good as it could have been, but it has been a good day. I have got a bunch of stuff done, got the vlog done, all that stuff, and hopefully I'll be launching, well, I guess it would be launched by now, but hashtag 1 minute happy, basically, where I try to do like 1 minute videos every day and basically talk about something that makes me happy or that is a positive moment in my day, so that I focus a bit more on positivity and not just on pain and to-do lists, basically, but also kind of trying to help other people with anxiety and depression specifically, that, you know, maybe getting other people like me to just focus a little bit more on some positive moments, and to share them. So we'll see how that goes, but starting that today. Wanted to do so much else today, but it just hasn't happened, so I'm gonna try not to worry about it too much. So it's 12:38 and another day of being too comfortable to get out of bed, but that's a good problem to have, I think. There's a lot of days lately where I literally was just in so much pain that even, like, I'd go to bed in pain, I'd sleep in pain if I slept, and then I would wake up in pain. So it's actually really nice to just be laying in bed and going, oh, I'm way too comfy to move. So I've been taking a little bit of advantage of it lately, but excuse me, I'm up, I'm dressed, I've had breakfast, I've washed my face and done all that stuff, and now I'm going to record. So those spider plants, they kind of took over. This is a baby spider plant. It's bigger than my hands. Plant update. The spaghetti squash is very happy. I think the biggest one we used to have is this one, but the biggest one we have right now is this one. It's like 3 down here. There's one here too. There's 3 there, there's 1 there, 1 there. Lots of little ones everywhere. Another one there, and 1 there. And in here, I think 3 of these plants are lemon cucumber. Ow, and they're very pointy. There we go. This is a little baby lemon cucumber. We had to cage up the tomato because wind kept blowing it over, so we put some of that fencing around basically and just kind of tied it closed. And now it can go through or up or over or wherever it wants, but we do have... Where are they? I know they're here somewhere. Do also have screaming children. Here we go. Little baby tomatoes. Little baby tomatoes. So, this is going well. Strawberry is doing strawberry things. The ivy is finally kind of perking up and stretching out its leaves. These are 2 like just random things that grew. We think that one's a brassica, we don't know what it is. Buddleia is very quickly going through all of its flowers. It kind of goes from this to this to this pretty quickly, but it smells really nice, really sweet smell. Getting a lot of butterflies and bees. Sage is perked up. We planted this guy, but we might move it. The mint, you can see the older parts that are flowering and the newer parts that are bushing it up. So this is actually a lot happier. Rosemary finally also starting to perk up. Thyme, not really. Well, it is actually. It is perking up a little bit. This is like some kind of moss thing that was actually underneath the heather. We just put that in a pot. Lavender also doing a pretty good job of being lavender. And the apple mint has bushed out as well. And then the blackberry back here is still growing. And as you can see, all the little flowers are becoming pre-berries, basically. And the, whatchamacallits, spider plants are making very many spider plant babies. Planted out these purple flowers into this little hanging thing, and also put some scented night stalk, which is actually finally growing a bit. Tim made this sort of water thingamajigger bird bath, which mostly the starlings just knock over. And we're trying another new thing with starling deterrent. I put on makeup today to make me feel better about myself, but I don't think I ever actually showed it. This is makeup on my face. A bit. I don't know, but it's only a bit different with my eyes. Now I'm going to wash it off. I don't know if this is the most flattering thing in the world, but I'm not gonna lie, my eyes look really green today. They don't usually look really green. Usually they match my hair. I guess they kind of look green and orange, depending on how you look at them, but I never really get to see my eyes up close. And I need to take some really good pictures so I can do that.